Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join someone's invite on Roblox Studio. So I won't be showing you the game because it's still not coming out yet. I don't know when it's gonna come out, maybe by the end of this year. Hopefully I'll play the game, but to give a little bit of a sneak peek, I'm just gonna show you guys in the tutorial. Go to Roblox Studio first. Not Roblox, the game. So I'm just going to open that. And usually there's going to be your games there, but if you can't find it, just have your friends invite you on Roblox Studio. I'll just close that. So here there's going to be my games. You can go there, or if it's not there yet, you're just going to go to your notifs here and you're going to select the game and you're going to enter it. I'm not going to do that though. You're just going to select that and it's going to bring you to the project here. Again, I'm not going to open that, but here you can start new games. Here you need to code. You need to be able to code 3D model. You can even make your own background sound or get free ones, but yeah, I'm super excited. But that's how you can basically open up projects or accept invites to a game on Roblox Studio. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.